we're going behind the scenes of the restoration and return of Big Boy number 4014, one of the largest steam locomotives ever built. And we're doing it with the man who knows it better than almost anybody alive, the Mr. Ed Dickens of the Union Pacific Railroad. During a special Q&A from the 2026 Big Boy Coast to Coast Tour, Ed told us how his crew recovered the rusting giant, rebuilt it under a hard deadline, and returned it to the rails where it belongs.
The restoration process actually started back in 2010 when I started as the new manager. We had other locomotives at the fleet that needed some serious mechanical work. One of them was a smaller locomotive, 3985. Got the approval to rebuild that locomotive. And right out of the blue came an opportunity to rebuild a 4000 class locomotive. And it didn't take very long for me to think about that. In my mind, as magnificent as the 3900 class were, the 3985 had been running for 30 years. It had its day in the sun, so to speak. So why don't we restore a 4000? And that question posed to me, I said yes. We began working our way out to California. That's a beautiful story in itself. That was a lot of work. Some of the funnest time we had as a crew, because we built a mile of track ourselves, 600 feet at a time, to move that locomotive when it was dead and rusty and sitting for 50 years. We brought it back to the shop and started working on it in 2017. Took us 2.5 years to 2019. And it was long and hard, but again, supported by the UP. We had a date with the 150th anniversary of the driving of the Golden Spike. And what better way to celebrate that anniversary with the 844 and the newly restored 4014. The 4014 was ready to go less than 36 hours before we had to leave. Now, think about that. Talk about taking it down to the wire.
Mr. Ed is a real deal old school railroad man, kind of guy who doesn't just study steam history, but he lives it. He understands these machines the way the earlier generations did, by feel and by sound, and by respect earned over years on the rails. Now, the Big Boy represents the steam that helped build America, but steam's story didn't end with the railroad. It still powers manufacturing, food production, hospitals, our energy facilities, and the many other countless parts of the economy that most people are just never going to see. And that is why this history still matters today. Now, this is only the beginning of our 4-part Big Boy series. So on the next Steam Culture, we're going to look inside the process of bringing Big Boy's massive boiler to life, and you're going to love it. We're also going to meet the people whose skill and hard work keep this giant moving. So subscribe and follow the series as we explore one of America's greatest working steam machines.